Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a classic office struggle, taking meeting notes without losing your mind. We're using our special double loop method to get you sounding like a natural pro. Here's how it works. I'll say the sentence first, then my best friend here will repeat it very slowly. After that, I'll say it again. Finally, my friend will say it at normal speed. It's the ultimate way to build muscle memory. If you're ready to master your office English, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Let's get started. Did anyone bring a spare pen?
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 I hope this meeting is short.
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 Let's focus on the main goal.
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 Could you speak a bit slower?
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 I missed that last important detail.
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 Who is responsible for this task?
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 We need to finish by noon.
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 That sounds like a great plan.
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 I'll share the notes via email.
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 Time for a quick coffee break.
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 Wait, what was the deadline?
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 I'll type this up later.
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 Does everyone agree on this?
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 Let me list the bullet points.
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 My laptop just died. Oh no.
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 Let's recap the main points.
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 Mark is taking the lead.
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 We need more data first.
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 That is a very valid point.
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 Is this for the client?
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 Let's schedule a follow-up.
Let's schedule a follow-up.
Let's schedule a follow-up.
Let's schedule a follow-up.
Can I summarize the actions?
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 I will highlight the risks.
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 That wraps up today's meeting.
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 Great job today! You've just leveled up your office English. We'll see you in the next video. Happy practicing!